Welcome back to Everyday Exercises. Been back from a kind of a prolonged illness here. So today I'm going to just slowly get back into it. I've been walking slash jogging. I did some exercises yesterday, but didn't film it. But today I'm going to go through my usual series of exercises. And it's going to be including, I'm definitely going to do planks, curls, maybe some calf raises. Since I did a lunge yesterday, my legs are pretty sore. Left knee still sore, so going to take it easy on that. Maybe concentrate on some arm work. I might do some knee lifts, hanging knee lifts. So we'll see how it goes. So I think the first exercise I'm going to do coming back to get started would be jumping jacks, and I'll be coming up next. All right, we're going to start with some jumping jacks, see how the knee holds up here. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off like we did before, and just going to see how it goes from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. All right, we're going to go to plank next. 5 seconds. All right, next will be curls. Seconds. All right, let's see if we can go to hanging knee lifts next. See how we can do here. All right, cut a little short. All right, I think I was going to try some calf raises next here. Yeah, we'll do calf raises next. I think I'll do it without weights for right now. 5 seconds. Just get the body used to this movement again. Too much strain on the tendons. Toes pointed in. And then straight. All right. It was about 5 minutes, close to that. So not a bad workout to get started with. I'm gonna take it outside and do a jog / run. Really watching what the knee wants to do. Go slow and easy. If I have to go 12, 13 minutes, I'd rather do that and try to go the whole distance and try to develop any kind of pace right now. So I will see y'all tomorrow. I'll post the video tonight. Have a good Monday night. Take care. All right, when I started out, my left knee was really bothering me, so I just walked. And now I was only able to walk for a couple of miles. I couldn't even go 3 miles. So today was more or less just a recovery day on the legs due to left knee pain. And I was generally sore from the lunges I did yesterday as well. My body just wasn't ready to come back just yet. So I'm going to probably walk again tomorrow if I feel any left knee pain. If not, I might do a light jog. We'll see how it goes. All right, take care. We'll see you tomorrow.